Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we are going to make beautiful flowers using fruit foam net. Here we are going to take this pink color of fruit foam net and cut it from the top. Make 3 such pieces. Now we are going to further cut it into half. Look how we are doing here in this video. Now paste all of them together and then keep rolling them like this and overlap them like we are doing here in this video. After this, take a thread and tie it at the top of the flower. Pull it tightly. Look how we are doing here in this video, and it's done. Finally cut the thread and then we are going to pull the petals one after another and give it further shape of the flower. And look, it's done. Cut the extra part of the foam net and decorate it further using these leaves and stick, and look, your flower is ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers using fruit foam net. So we are going to cut small pieces of the pink color of fruit foam net. Then we are going to further cut it from the sides. We're going to make the flower petals here. Look how we are doing here in this video. After making the flower petals, we are going to paste all of them together. We are making 8 such flower petals and paste them together using hot glue gun. Now we are going to put the green color of stick at the center. After this, we are going to make a mini flower for the center part as well. We are taking this yellow color of fruit foam net and cut all pieces this, and then we're going to put it at the center. You can also add more leaves like this, and it's done. Let's make these flowers using fruit foam net. So we're going to take this pink color of foam net. As you can see on the background, you can take different color as well. Cut small flower petals and then put 2 of them together like this. You can paste them using hot glue gun and then curve the petals. We are going to make 8 such petals. After making them, we are going to put all of them one after another and overlap them. Hold it like this using your fingers. After making the flowers, we are going to put them together like this and then tie it at the bottom using a thread. So tie it and cut the extra part of the thread. Using scissors, we are going to give it further shape. We are going to paste the petal as well. For more security, we are going to paste the petals from the bottom part as well. And look, it's done. Cut the extra part of the foam net from the bottom part, and we are going to put a green stick and some leaves as well. Look how we are doing here in this video, and your flower is ready. Let's make lotus flower hanging using foam net. So let's get started. First, we are going to make the flower petal. Paste them together using hot glue gun, or you can also take double-sided tape. Now we are going to cut the bottle and paste all the leaves, then the flowers one after another, and cover it in a circular form. Keep adding more petals and cover the entire bottle like this, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to close the bottle cap, put the fairy light inside and hanging as well, and look, it's ready. In this video, we're going to make this beautiful blue flower using foam net. So let's get started. First, we are going to color the blue color of foam net. Now we are going to cut all these foam threads like this. Now we are going to paste them into half using double-sided tape. After this, we are going to put double-sided tape again on the top of it, and then we are going to roll it like this. Now we are going to make the rest of the part as well of the flower. So take the white color of foam net. Again, we are going to paste it using double-sided tape and cut it. Roll it. We're going to make a mini flower. So put it inside the flower like this. You can paste it using hot glue gun, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. You can keep adding more leaves and stick, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.